Most AI features ship without any way to know if they just got worse. The foundation of any good eval is a curated dataset of input-output pairs. Real or synthetic examples where you know the expected answer. Think of it like a unit test suite, but for AI behavior. Your dataset captures the inputs your feature actually sees and the outputs it should produce. Without this, you are flying blind. Next, you need a way to score outputs automatically. Exact match works for structured responses. Embedding similarity handles fuzzier answers. For complex natural language, LLM-as-judge, using another model to grade your output, is increasingly standard practice. The real power of evals comes from running them continuously. Every time you change a prompt, swap a model version, or update your context window, you need to know whether quality held up. Wire your evals into CI or run them on a schedule. A regression you catch before deployment is far cheaper than one your users discover. Finally, your dataset needs to cover the full distribution, not just the happy path. Include edge cases, adversarial inputs, multilingual text, empty inputs, and known failure modes. A narrow eval gives you false confidence. Great evals combine a diverse labeled dataset, automated scoring, and continuous regression detection, treating your AI feature like production software. Practice your answer, then try the next question. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.